Welcome to the Learning Studio. Today's topic is one of the most exciting and essential fields in the world of teaching: educational psychology. If you've ever wondered how students actually learn, why some students remember better than others, or how motivation and emotions affect study habits, then this episode is for you. And as always, don't forget to explore the full Teaching and Education playlist by clicking the link in the video description below. What is educational psychology? Educational psychology is the science that studies how people learn and how teachers can help them learn better. It looks at everything from memory, attention, and problem solving to behavior, motivation, emotions, and learning styles. This field helps teachers answer questions like, why do some students learn faster than others? How can I help students who are struggling emotionally or mentally? What is the best way to keep students engaged and motivated? It's about understanding the student's mind and using that knowledge to create better learning environments. Why it matters in the classroom. Imagine two students. One is very confident, curious, and loves asking questions. The other is shy, nervous about failure, and rarely speaks up. Both have the same teacher and the same books, but their experiences in the classroom will be very different. This is where educational psychology steps in. It helps the teacher recognize those differences and use the right tools to support each student individually. For example, understanding growth mindset theory, the idea that abilities can improve with effort, can help teachers turn failure into motivation. Or using behavioral reinforcement, like praise or small rewards, can help manage a noisy or distracted class. Key concepts in educational psychology. Here are a few important areas that educational psychology explores. Cognitive development, how children's brains grow and process information. Think of Jean Piaget's famous stages of development. Motivation, what drives students to learn? How can teachers inspire curiosity? Memory and learning strategies, how students remember what they learn and how to improve it. Individual differences, every student learns in their own way. Psychology helps teachers adapt. Mental health in education, recognizing stress, anxiety, or learning disorders early and supporting students with care. Educational psychology is the bridge between teaching and understanding learners. Real-life example. One real-world example. In Finland, one of the top-performing countries in education, teacher training includes a strong focus on educational psychology. Teachers are trained to understand learning differences, manage emotions in the classroom, and build stronger student relationships, and it shows in their results and happy students. Why future educators should learn this? If you're planning to become a teacher, educational psychology is one of the most practical and powerful tools you can have. It helps you teach with empathy, understand each student's unique needs, use evidence-based strategies to make learning stick. What's next? Now that you understand the mind behind the student, our next video will focus on human development and learning and why it matters. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and check the full playlist link below. Thanks for learning with us here at the Learning Studio.